Welcome to the classroom. Nobody hands you a manual on day one. You learn on the fly, managing meltdowns and milestones, and you carry the heavy emotional weight of every kid in your room home with you at night. When it's time for professional development, the options rarely help. You usually get a 6-hour Zoom call you have to fight to stay awake for, or a massive binder that immediately starts collecting dust on a shelf. That leaves you operating in a fog. Your director knows you show up, but they rarely see the specific challenges you face. You end up handling the hardest moments of the day completely alone. You are doing some of the most critical work in society for some of the lowest pay. Yet without systems designed to support your daily grind, the exhaustion compounds, and that hard work stays completely invisible. This is Mentor Me Prek. It's built to be your co-pilot. Instead of generic training and endless paperwork, it delivers short, practical support that actually changes what happens in your room by Monday morning. The platform is built around 3 daily actions. You learn through bite-sized modules, you run your room using built-in classroom tools, and you get rewarded with points and badges for your progress. This platform functions as a structural mechanism to elevate your career, respecting your limited time while putting you on a clear path to professional growth. The first thing you do is take the initial assessment. There's no pass or fail here. It's a tool to figure out exactly what you know cold and where you actually need support. As we see here, the platform shatters the generic path and maps your raw assessment data onto a customized trajectory. It generates a personalized learning path, giving you the specific modules you need right when you need them. Next is the Coaching Me assessment. This focuses entirely on you. It asks how you prefer to communicate, what motivates you, and whether you'd rather get a public shout-out or a quiet handwritten note. Your director gets those results as a personalized coaching report. When you sit down for a one-on-one meeting, they already have a cheat sheet on how you operate best, so their feedback actually lands. The fog lifts. You stop being treated as an interchangeable staff member on a roster. You are finally coached as a unique professional, with goals tailored to exactly where you are right now. Watch how a central AI port generates a structured timeline out of classroom chaos. This represents the transition autopilot. It takes the messiest parts of your day, like cleanup or nap time, and builds a calm, age-appropriate plan with songs and visual cues. If you have a child struggling with specific behaviors, the Help Me With This Kid tool offers immediate relief. Describe what's happening, and the platform gives you concrete coaching strategies you can try the very next morning. Then there's the Parent Response Generator. When you're stressing over a tricky parent email, you just type in the situation. The system drafts a professional, boundary-setting response in seconds. These tools do not replace your intuition. They take the grueling administrative prep off your plate, so you can put your energy where it belongs, being fully present and emotionally available for the kids. The learning modules are designed for the reality of your schedule. You can knock out a single section in 5 minutes between nap time and pickup. Notice how this timer instantly transforms into official state credit. Every minute you spend in a module automatically converts into state-required ECE clock hours. You never have to fill out another timesheet. Logging in to finish just one section builds your daily streak. The longer your streak, the more bonus points you earn, stacking up currency you can use for real rewards at your school. Life happens, though. Kids get sick or you go on vacation. Streak Protection banks days for you, automatically forgiving a missed login so your momentum stays intact. Professional growth now happens through a protected, stress-free daily habit, one that allows your skills to compound effortlessly over time. The platform also tackles isolation through core value shoutouts. When you see a coworker handle a tantrum perfectly or help a parent, you can send them a specific, positive note in under 60 seconds. This system rewards both of you. The person receiving the praise gets recognized for their hard work, and you earn points just for taking the time to send it. This continuous, peer-driven loop of recognition validates your hard work in real time, creating a school culture that actively prevents burnout. Back on your profile, the certification tracker centralizes the expiration dates for your CPR, first aid, and background checks. The system alerts you weeks in advance, so a surprise licensing visit never catches you off guard. Every module you finish lives in the My Learning section. It builds an automated, pristine portfolio of your growth, categorized by topic and ready to print for your director or a state assessor. You leave behind the days of panic searching for old, faded paper certificates in the bottom of a filing cabinet. You walk into your annual review or a job interview with undeniable, documented proof of your expertise. Mentor Me Prek takes the invisible, exhausting grind of early childhood education and turns it into a celebrated, documented career. It gives you the receipts to prove to the world and to yourself that you are the invaluable professional you've always been.